Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English for Beginners. I am Lucas, your English teacher. This video is for people with level A1 and A2. Today, we have a very fun video for you. We are going to watch a story about traveling in a big city. Traveling is a wonderful hobby. I have a great question for you today. Do you like to travel to new cities? Please write your answer in the comments below right now. Before we start our story, please like this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more easy English videos. Are you ready to learn some good vocabulary? Excellent! Now, let's watch a nice city story about Jake and Lily.
Wow, Lily. Look at this beautiful station.
Yes, Jake. It is so big and modern.
There are many people around us today.
I see them. Everyone is in a hurry.
Our modern train was very fast and comfortable.
I agree. It was a very nice trip.
Do you have your heavy road backpack, Lily?
Yes, I have it on my back right now.
Good, my backpack is also very comfortable.
Excellent. Now we are ready for our adventure.
This big city looks very interesting and bright.
I am very happy to be here with you.
Let's find the exit of this beautiful station.
Yes, let's walk together and see the streets.
Okay, Lily. Let's look at the city map now.
Good idea, Jake. Where is our cozy hotel?
I don't know. It is somewhere near here.
Please check the hotel address on your smartphone.
Yes, I am opening the map on my phone. Oh no, wait a minute, look at this.
What is the matter, Jake? What is wrong?
My screen is black. The battery is completely dead.
Oh dear, there is a red battery icon now.
Yes, the phone is off and I feel lost.
Don't worry, Jake. We can find another way.
This city is huge and very noisy today.
I know, but we are a good team.
Let's ask someone on this busy street for help.
Yes, let's talk to a passenger right now. Look, Jake. There is a man over there.
Yes, he wears a nice suit and glasses.
He looks like a busy businessman. Let's ask him.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help us, please?
We are looking for our cozy hotel near here.
Oh, hello. I am very sorry, young people. I don't have any free time right now.
It will take only 1 minute, please, sir.
I have a very important business meeting in 5 minutes.
We are completely lost because our phone is dead.
I understand, but I really must go to my office. Look at my watch. I am very late now.
Okay, thank you anyway. Have a good day, sir.
Don't worry, Jake. Let's look for another person.
Yes, let's find someone who is not so busy. Lily, look over there, near the big street corner.
Oh, I see it. That is a big city map.
Perfect. Let's walk to this metal stand right now.
Wow, this map is huge, but it looks difficult.
Let's look closely together, Lily. Where are we now?
Look at this big red point. It says you are here.
Great, so we are in the noisy center of the city.
Now I am moving my finger across the glass to find our street.
Can you see the name of our cozy hotel there?
Wait a minute, Jake. I am looking very carefully now.
I'm looking over your shoulder, but everything is so small.
Ah, I think our hotel is near the big subway station.
Are you sure, Lily? Is it far from this place?
I think it is not very far. Let's go this way. Jake, look at that kind man in the blue uniform.
Oh, yes. That is a friendly city policeman.
He is standing near the street corner and smiling at us.
Let's walk to him right now and ask for help.
Excuse me, officer. We are completely lost in this big city.
Hello, young people. Do not worry. How can I help you?
Our phone is dead, and we cannot find our cozy hotel.
I understand. Tell me the name or address of your hotel.
The name of our place is the Cozy Haven Hotel.
Oh, I know that nice hotel very well. It is near. Look at my hand. Please walk straight forward down this street. Then turn to the right after the big cinema building.
Thank you very much, officer. You are very kind today.
Yes, thank you. Let's go quickly in that direction, Jake.
Look, Lily. Here's the entrance to the subway station.
Great, Jake. The policeman was right about the direction.
Let's go inside. This underground station looks very clean.
Yes, and it is very bright and modern down here.
We need to buy our travel tickets first, Lily.
Look, I have 2 small paper tickets in my hand.
Excellent. Now we can go to the moving escalator stairs.
Let's stand together on the right side of the escalator.
Wow, we are moving down very deep under the ground.
I see many other passengers around us on the stairs.
There are big, colorful signs with different subway line numbers.
We need to look for the Blue Line station name.
Yes, our cozy hotel is near the Blue Line exit.
This subway ride is going to be very fast, Jake.
Okay, Lily. We are finally down on the platform.
Yes, but look at all these different route maps.
Wow, a fast train is passing by us right now.
It is very loud and makes a lot of wind.
I'm looking at these arrows, but I'm confused.
Don't worry, Jake. Let's check this big direction board.
Should we take the left train or the right train?
Look closely at the map. The station names are here.
My eyes are tired. I cannot see our hotel station.
Look where my finger is pointing right now, Jake. Here is our station. It is only 3 stops away.
Oh, I see it now. You are wonderful, Lily.
The next blue train is coming to our platform now.
Great, let's get in quickly and watch the doors.
Lily, finally we are outside the subway station, Jake.
Yes, the fresh air feels very nice now.
But look, it is evening and getting dark outside.
You are right. The city lights are starting to shine.
Our cozy hotel is still a bit far from here.
Don't worry, Lily. I can see many yellow cars.
Oh, those are city taxis. Let's catch one.
Watch me. I am lifting my hand up right now.
Look, Jake, that bright yellow taxi is stopping here.
Great. The car is stopping near the sidewalk now.
The front door is opening. Let's look inside.
I see a friendly taxi driver with a big mustache.
Hello, young people. Please get into my car.
Thank you very much, sir. Let's sit in the back.
Wow, it is very comfortable inside this yellow taxi.
Yes, Jake. My feet are very tired after walking.
Me too. Our big backpacks are on the seat now.
So, where do you want to go, young travelers?
We want to go to our cozy city hotel, sir.
Okay, do you know the exact name of the street?
No, my smartphone is dead and I feel bad.
Don't worry. Jake has a small notebook in his hands.
Yes, look at my paper notebook, please, Mr. Driver. The exact address of our hotel is written right here.
Let me look at the paper in the rearview mirror. Ah, the Cozy Haven Hotel on Green Street. Excellent. I know this street perfectly. It is very close now.
That is wonderful news, sir. Thank you very much.
Look, Lily, the taxi is stopping near a beautiful building.
Wow, Jake. Look at that big and bright sign.
It says the Cozy Haven Hotel. We are finally here.
I am so happy. Our long city adventure is finished.
Let's take our heavy road backpacks and step out.
Thank you very much for the nice ride, Mr. Driver.
Yes, thank you, sir. Have a very good evening.
The evening city looks so beautiful and romantic tonight.
I agree. These warm street lamps look like bright stars.
We are standing at the entrance of our wonderful hotel.
We have no working phone, but we have each other.
Yes, we are a very good and strong travel team.
Let's go inside the warm lobby and get our key.
Welcome to our big holiday, Jake. Let's go.
Welcome back to the studio, everyone. That was a beautiful and exciting adventure with Jake and Lily. Today, we learned many excellent words for your travel life. We practiced useful phrases for visiting a big city and finding directions. Remember simple words like dead battery, city map, and friendly policeman. Now, you can easily describe your travel routine in a new place. You can talk about subway stations and catching a taxi without problems. Let's practice together one more time in our active community. What is your favorite way to travel around a big city? Do you prefer riding the clean subway or catching a yellow taxi? Please write your answer in the comments below this video right now. I always enjoy reading your beautiful and clever answers every day. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more slow and easy English lessons. Thank you very much for watching our travel story today. Goodbye, and see you very soon in the next video.